In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to play modded Minecraft on PC. Now when it comes to playing modded Minecraft, you're going to need a modded launcher for it. There are many choices for modded launchers. Personally, I like CurseForge, but there are very many such as Technic Launcher, or AT Launcher, TL Launcher, just to name a few. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to show you how to use the CurseForge launcher. So for step 1, we're going to need to download the CurseForge launcher. You can do that from curseforge.com, CurseForge app. Download for your specific OS. Once you've downloaded and installed, follow the installer. You're going to go ahead and go Home, Minecraft, and you can see that mod packs that you have downloaded from the launcher are displayed under My Mod Packs, or you can go to Browse Mod Packs and scroll the list of their featured, or search for specific ones if you really like. And with that, it shows the real basics of it. All you have to do is press install. It installs it for you, then you click play, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.